How to use SHEIN Referral Code Program. Open the SHEIN mobile app and make sure that you log into your account. After you complete your login, simply go to your profile, which is as me right over here. Now, if you want to have active coupon code, simply tap on 25% over here and you'll find the unused coupon codes that you can use in your orders. Now, for referral, you should be able to find the refer a friend option or share, or you can also find my referral option here. Now once you find it, you simply have to tap on it. From there you simply have to copy the unique link or the code itself. Then what you can do is send this via messaging app and social media or even email. Once you have sent this to your friends, they have to copy that exact link or simply copy that exact code during their shopping and checkout, just like the referral ones. And hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any question or queries, please do comment down below.